Hey guys, it's me, Bpsquishies, and today I am with my cousin and my other cousin and my sister. And today we are going to be interviewing people over squishies. So let's get started. So I've given him softball peanut butter and jelly. And so, how much do you think this is?
Too much.
They're
$15.
It's actually only $6.
Hey, girl, that's a lot of money.
So, how would you rate this squishy?
Pretty good for a squishy.
How do you feel about squishies?
They're pretty good. Pretty good.
Thank you for your time.
You're
Giving
welcome.
Joe a mini panda bun.
Yeah.
So, how much do you think those usually retail for?
$2.
Oh, you're really close. They're $1.99.
Yeah.
So you were pretty on point there.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about that squishy? What do you feel about squishies in general?
They're alright.
Okay, would you consider purchasing one?
Sure.
Okay. Thank you for your time. Okay, so Anthony, how do you feel about this squishy?
Looks cool. Regular, normal.
Okay. How much do you think it retails for?
$3.
It was actually $5. So, what do you think about the quality of this squishy?
It's like a normal starter squishy.
Okay. Okay, that's awesome. Would you rather squishies in or out of packaging?
Out.
Why do you say that?
So, because you can't really feel it. You can feel it in just plastic. And it's loud too.
But what
You're
about
gonna
for
get it.
ASMR purposes?
Not really helping my stress levels.
Well, I don't know.
So, what do you call it when it takes a long time to rise?
Slow rising.
Heck yeah, you're amazing. Now we're interviewing Jade, and Joe's in the background. So, we are giving Jade I believe, cat tanker. So, Jade, how much do you think this retails for?
About at least
Don't take it on.
$15.
It retails for $12.
Oh,
What do you think about this squishy?
it's very nice. It's very slow rising. It smells very good. It smells
Okay,
good packaging.
thank you for your time.
You're
Dee Dee,
welcome.
would you like to do an interview for my channel?
What's your channel?
What's
The
that?
Squishy channel. I have a squishy here.
All right.
So, Dee Dee, how much do you think that squishy retails for?
$5.99.
That was actually right. It was $5.99. So what do you think that is?
A shoe.
It's a slipper. You're doing really good at this. So, do you know what it's called when it rises really slow?
It's called Rise and Bake.
No.
Bake and rise.
It's called slow rising.
Slow rising.
So,
okay.
do you think that this is a $5.99 is good for that squishy? Like a good price? Or is it too much?
I would have paid 99 cents for it.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Next up, our next interviewer is Brandy. Hi, Brandy. So, I have a squishy right here.
Okay,
So, how much do you think that squishy retails for?
99 cents.
That was $5.
What? It looks like a butt.
What is that squishy?
That's a butt.
No.
It's a Nicki Minaj butt.
No. Brandy, what do you think the squishy is?
A pear.
Yes, good job. And so, would you consider buying a squishy?
No.
Ever?
Ever.
What if somebody asked for one for Christmas?
Okay, maybe.
Okay.
But not $5.
Okay.
99 cents.
Okay, so would you consider this a stress toy or a novelty item?
Not if it's $5. It stresses me out.
Okay. Last interviewer of the day is Jaime. Hello, Jaime. So this is the squishy. What do you think this is?
A fish.
It's a narwhal. I mean, you were close. Do you know what a narwhal is?
Nope.
Oh. So it's pretty much a whale, but it has a horn. What does it smell like to you?
Plastic.
Okay, smell at the opening. Okay. What does it smell like to you now?
Oh, so nothing.
Don't open it! He's trying to open squishies. It's mint.
Gum?
It's mint. Okay, so how much do you think this retails for?
$1.
Little does he know that this was $25.
Oh, you better get a refund.
So, would you ever spend that much on a piece of foam?
No.
Oh, we have our next interviewer then.
No, we're not interviewing anything.
Oh my god. So, what would you? Okay, so there's Millie the whale, which is the girl. What do you think this one's name is?
What's it made out of?
No, what do you think its name is?
Willy.
It's Billy. Okay. Thank you for your time. My mom is being boring and doesn't want to be interviewed. So that was the last interview of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, rate, subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.